I have also ordered and asked nicely ASEC Frank, who is in front of me today, to work with my transition team and to meet with the people responsible with our passporting system. I expect by the time I come back from Russia, a memo will be on my desk that will contain what, how, and when. What, as in what can we do to speed up the process and remove the appointment system. Our goal is that when you walk in, you will be able to apply for your passport, and in a few days, you will get your passport. And later on, like in the US, you can apply for it in the post office. How? I want to know how they're going to do it. Is it additional machines? Dadagdagan ba natin yung mobile passport program natin? Or do we need more casual employees? Doon po sa mga taga-finance, kung hindi available kaagad ang additional funds for casuals or for contractuals for this, while I'm talking to the DBM, use my salary so that we can start right away. Let us show our people that the DFA people are problem solvers.